Hello friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the grocery collaboration. Our hosts are Jessica Myrose and Small Town Tiffany from Small Town 6. Please check out their channel and the wonderful playlist. Today we're heading out to the grocery outlet. It'll be our first time checking it out.
All right, we're gonna go check out this place. See how much your plants are.
This is their beautiful produce section. They had corn for $2, and here's some of their deals on different things. They had a really good deal on strawberries at the time we went. And Pop-Tarts was pretty decent price too. But they had some odd flavors. Slim Jims was pretty. Their meat sticks was cheap, and they had the biggest thing of orange juice, and it was pretty reasonable. Their cereal was $1.99 for Cheerios. Their pop was 99 cents, and it was pretty good. We did get some of that. And their Tide wasn't too badly priced either. Their salsa was only 99 cents, and these were only two for a dollar, I think. And these were very reasonably priced. All their Pillsbury stuff was pretty reasonably priced. That's 2 for $2 for the bread. We got chicken breasts at the grocery outlet. We got the orange juice. You know how much that was?
I forget. We got the receipt somewhere.
These, I think, were 50 cents, weren't they? Or $1.
Yeah, and 2 for.
And then we got these. I think these were like 50 cents.
One came from the produce.
These were what? Like
2 for 3 or something.
2 for $4 or something like that.
Yeah, it was a 2 for 4 strawberries.
And we got 3 of them.
Blackberries.
And I think they got whipped up on.
And $3, I think these were, weren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, if I get the receipt.
And I think these were $1. We only spent $30. Okay.
And yeah, orange juice is huge.
It's a
what,
huge one.
80 ounces.
Yeah, it's 89 ounces. Okay.
No, grab those
No,
pop.
see, as you can see, we spent around $30 for all the stuff we got at the grocery warehouse.